Alright, here we go. We'll open up my Cool Cats pack. See what we can get. Are you ready? Where's the music at? I want that music. There it goes. Ah, the Cool Cats music. Let's go 3 first. What we got? Common Rockets. Marcus Cousins dunk. Alright, it's pretty hot. It's pretty hot. Decent serial number. Oh, that's the Cool Cats from Marcus Cousins. I didn't even notice. Alright. Let's check on 5. Let's check 5. What we got now? Number 5, OKC, Al Horford. 4,000 serial number. Decent. Alright, let's go. What's that? Let's go to number 4. Brooklyn, Spencer Dinwiddie. High one now. I was hoping that it would be a Kyrie or Durant from Brooklyn, but it's all good. Alright, let's see. Let's go 1. We have Portland, Derrick Jones Jr. Boom. Boom! The alley from Diggity Dame Lillard. Let's see who the final spot is. What's up with LeBron, baby? Memphis or Ja? Valanciunas with the dunk. Boom! That completes it. We got D. Jones, Valanciunas, Marcus Cousins, Cool Cat, Al Horford, and a Dinwiddie. And that's it. We still got one more pack to open, the base 2.